If you are new to the U.S. banking system, handling physical cash can feel like a daunting task. You used to have to wait in line to see a human teller during strict bank hours. Today, machines handle the heavy lifting. The automated teller machine, or ATM, serves two simple functions, letting you take out physical money or put it back into your account. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through exactly how to bypass locked bank doors, use your phone's digital wallet to authenticate, safely stash your cash, and secure printed proof of your transactions. Once you know how to operate this machine, you have full 24/7 access to your money on your own schedule. The very first obstacle you might encounter is a locked vestibule door, especially if you visit outside of standard business hours. To get inside, simply tap your physical debit card or your phone's digital wallet against the card reader next to the door. Now listen for the mechanical click. That sound tells you the system recognizes your account and has unlocked the door. Once inside, you need to verify your identity a second time at the machine itself. Scan your phone or insert your card, then use your free hand to cover the keypad while you type your 4-digit PIN. This powerful combination, the locked exterior door and your private PIN, creates a secure physical and digital perimeter for your financial data. On the screen's main menu, tap the option labeled Get Cash to take money out. The system will then ask you to dictate the total dollar amount you want to withdraw. Many machines will now prompt you to choose the exact mix of bills you receive. U.S. ATMs dispense specific historical banknotes, typically starting with the $10 bill. As you can see here, the $10 bill features Alexander Hamilton. This is a highly useful smaller denomination, making it easier to provide exact change for your purchases. Next is the $20 bill, featuring Andrew Jackson. This is the most universally dispensed and accepted currency from ATMs nationwide. Finally, the $100 bill, featuring Benjamin Franklin. This is the largest common denomination, which is ideal if you need to carry a larger sum compactly. After your selection, the machine will mechanically dispense your requested cash from the lower tray. Actively choosing your denominations ensures you have the right bills for your immediate spending plans and saves you from the frustration of a business refusing a large bill for small purchases. Once the cash leaves the machine, you are briefly vulnerable, particularly in a busy urban environment. Never place loose cash in your back pocket. Instead, secure it immediately in a zipped bag or a front pocket wallet. Your withdrawal is not truly finished until the cash is completely concealed from public view. Now, let's reverse the process and return physical cash back into your digital banking system. You will authenticate yourself at the machine just like before. Select Make Deposit from the main menu and then tap the Cash option. Pay close attention to the screen's instructions. The machine will specify a maximum number of bills it can accept at one time. Neatly align your stack of bills, making sure there are no folds or creases, and smoothly feed them into the illuminated intake slot. Respecting the machine's strict hardware limits is the only way to prevent mechanical jams. This ensures the physical bills are instantly credited to your digital balance without getting stuck. The machine will internally count your deposited cash and display the recognized total on the screen for your approval. Finally, the system will ask if you want a receipt. Always press Yes. Retrieve the printed receipt and immediately check the updated balance at the bottom to ensure your transaction cleared. Securing this piece of paper gives you irrefutable proof of your transaction, safely bridging the gap between your physical cash and your digital bank account.